Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about food storage. Specifically, using a device to store food. I'm talking about the Seal Meal, the Food Saver, the vacuum sealed machines, where you have a special heavy duty bag. You put the stuff in there, it sucks all the air out, and it welds the bag shut. Okay? So if you watch, actually I think I've even done it on this channel, but on my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, I've done a lot of videos where I get a bunch of meat and other things, and I put in the seal meal and get it all set up, and I freeze them. So think about that for another aspect to your food preparation and food storage to help you get through tough times. All right. And speaking of tough times, there's a possibility that we're going to have a really tough winter due to some supply issues, shortages, and some other reasons as well. All right, so keep adding to your preps every day: water, food, medicine, clothing, and skills. You really need to get prepped this winter.